welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 12 by 12 gallery wrapped, inch deep, inch and a half deep, something like that. It's the level 3, what is it, Artist Loft? Yeah, Artist Loft level 3. Going to be doing myself another bloom. Yesterday's video, that's probably going to be up prior to this one, I think. Turned out awesome, so I had to try another one. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, all of my regulars, thank you so much, you guys. All the comments, all the thumbs up, love it so much. Keep them coming. I hope you enjoy this video as well. I've got a couple of pigments and a couple of Amsterdam paints I'm using. I've got the Bling It series, the Sheleeart primary elements. This one is Apple Rose, which is this pretty color right here. I know it's probably hard to see, but a gorgeous red. I have got the Permanent Blue Violet. That's the Amsterdam Standard series. I've also got the Artist Loft Cadmium Yellow Hue. I had it pre-mixed from a previous video, so that's why I'm using these colors. I've got two other Amsterdam acrylic, the pearls. One's pearl yellow and one's pearl white. Looking at the tubes, they look exactly the same, but trust me, they are pearl and they pick up the yellows. It'll be gorgeous. All right, let's do this. Greg's gonna hit some music. Thanks again, everyone, for joining me. Let's do a masterpiece. Hit the music, hon. Thank you.
When swear I know how you value these words, but I cannot make poetry out of feelings like you do. My mother told me to love your woman no matter what she says. Now I'm holding an empty bottle in my hand, drifting on its contents to bring a message back to you. I can still prove my love to you when I'm drunk. I can still prove my love to you when I'm drunk. I recognize this old familiar look, even when sobriety is blurring my sight. You show up again and ask your man, how will it end? The best is always yet to come, I tell you. And soon it's back to reminiscing with my liquid friend. I can still prove my love to you when I'm drunk. Oh, I can still prove my love to you when I'm drunk. I used to have so many reasons to get better. As time goes by, it gets harder to keep your head above